Nothing in the middle of nowhere. And maybe you shouldn't have eaten that burrito last night, right? Maybe it wasn't refrigerated properly and you gotta go. Good morning, everybody. Mama Terry here, and I thought I would have a seminar today. Oh my gosh, isn't this exciting? Well, what kind of seminar is it going to be? It's going to be Poop Bucket Seminar. Yes, of course. Why? Because, when I first started camping, I thought, okay, I needed a urine diverter and all this other things. Bathroom is very, very important. People look at us. We live in a van. Oh, you want to see my shirt? Okay. We live in a van, and you know what? I try to make it as inexpensive as possible and as much fun as possible. But, that is my little poop bucket. Now, do I use it a lot? Well, I use it at nighttime. And I also have a Metamucil jar for going tinkle in. But the thing about Poop Bucket is, let's say there's bathrooms everywhere. If you're near a Walmart, great. At Target, Vons, the grocery stores, everybody has a bathroom, except for the one day that you're traveling around the country and everything. There's nothing in the middle of nowhere. And maybe you shouldn't have eaten that burrito last night, right? Maybe it wasn't refrigerated properly and you gotta go. Well, let's go on the down low, right? Oh my gosh, this is going to be so much fun. So, all right. So I have a fancy little poop bucket right here. You don't need to spend $1,000 for a urine diverter. There are videos on the market that tell you how to do that. Me, I never have a problem. This is mostly for, oh my gosh, I shouldn't have eaten that burrito. Let me open it up for you. This one collapses down to nothing. Let me open it up for you. It's just a simple little thing. There we go. And usually I just put in a couple of trash bags, back up three, and use this from the Dollar Tree to hold the trash bags in place. All right. So, but what I wanted to do today was show you how to do one real cheaply. You don't have to spend that kind of money. All you have to do is go to Walmart. We're going to do it for under $10. And I got something I want to share with you too. All right. So this is a 2-gallon bucket. Now then, these come in all different sizes. You may want a 2-gallon bucket because you have a smaller thing, right? You can get these in 7 gallons, but these little 2-gallon buckets range in price from $3.50 to $4. And I think they're great. It's wonderful for people that don't have a lot of space. Now then, you need this. You need one of these from the $1.25 Tree. These are the little steering wheel things. And what I've used forever is I would go over to Walmart and get these laundry and office medium trash bags. There's 40 bags in there. They're 8 gallons and they cost about $3.62. Well, over at the $1.25 Tree, of course I'm sleazing around there. I wanted to compare the bags. Now, this is $3.62 for 40 bags. These are 4-gallon bags for $1.25, and there's 40 in there. So I'm going to pull out and check out the quality because, believe it or not, you don't want to have a catastrophe in your minivan or a car or whatever you camp in. So, let me get them out of there. Let's see what they're like. Let's compare the quality. Well, it is a pretty purple color, and it's 4-gallon. All right, so now we got to ask ourselves, will it fit in that trash can? If not, then you know what? Then we're not going to use it. So let me undo this. It could be a fail. It could be a good thing. All right, I'm going to see. It's looking pretty good there. All right, so basically you get your trash can. And okay. Let's see how deep I can make it. Sorry guys, it's going to take me a minute, but I want to test a theory. All right, so it looks like it's going to work. And isn't that a beautiful color? Now then, let's get out one of these bags and see what we got going on here. Sorry, did I move you? I didn't mean to move you. All right, so because thickness counts, doesn't it? I think it does. Let's get out one of these and see if I can. Hey, if I can get away with it and only pay $1.25 for 40 bags, I'm going to do it. So let me show you what an 8-gallon bag looks like. There we go. This is an 8-gallon bag. And I'm going to see how thick and thin it is compared to that. See, this may be overkill. All right, so I can tell that the quality of this is better than this. This is probably, and I'm just feeling, I don't know. It's not really twice as thick as this, but it's thicker. But you know what? I think if I line this with 4 bags, now then, all right, so I'll explain it to you. I'll line it with 2 and just give you an example of how to use it. Some people have never used a poop bucket in their life. Oh my God, you haven't lived until you do it in the woods, really. I'm serious about that. All right, so this is how you would do it. I know we got some newbies there. All right, so put a bag inside a bag. With these bags, I would use 4. Now, I like this bucket approach. I'm going to compare this bucket to mine. I like this, but it has some things. I'm going to have to move this down, all right? So you put in 3 or 4 of these. There you go. That'll hide everything in place. Oh my gosh, are we not? The circus has come to town. That's good enough for government work. All right, so let me talk to you the pros of this. I like this a lot. I just had an idea on why I like it now. I don't know. Oh, okay, got it. All right, so let's say you have a catastrophe. The bags don't hold, and I'm pretty sure these $1.25 bags will work for what we want. All right, so this, okay, if it's in the bucket, you know, if the holes rip through it and it's in the bucket, okay, you can always take this into a public restroom, dump it down the toilet, try cleaning it out. Now then, if we have a catastrophe here, and I know you guys know the word I want to use, it begins with sh and ends with catastrophe, but I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. Okay, stuff is going to pour out of there. That's not good. Okay, but what I like about this is I do this all the time. Let me see if I can collapse it down. Never, there we go, it's collapsible. It can go into a small space, where this I would find maybe annoying, but it would make a nice camp stool, don't you think? All right, so we learned something today. All right, we built a toilet to go poop in the woods for under $10. I think it came out to $8.35. No, we're changing it. We are saying, okay, $3.62 and $1.25 for this and $1.25 for that. That's under $6. We have made indoor plumbing for $6. All right, so where are you going to throw this away at? That's a good question. Let me think about that. What do I do with it? I totally forget. Oh my gosh. So the question is, how do you dispose of it? All right, same as a baby's diaper. Okay, that may be a bad thing to say, but usually I get rid of mine over at a Dixie dumpster because, oh my gosh, the smell. But here's one thing you can do. You can go over to the Dollar Tree, and this really keeps the smell down until you can dispose of it properly. There we go. These are 75 bags. Disposable diaper bags, and you put it in there, and that really locks the smell down. It keeps the smell from escaping. So woo, yay. All right, and see, it says for adult use only, so it must be good. Well, I hope this helped you guys. Don't be intimidated, okay? Camping's a lot of fun. I hope you get out there and camp. By the way, here's my address if you want to send me a letter or a postcard, because we're postcards from Terry. And remember, I will see you down the road. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching. All right, if you want to send me something, here's my address, and I certainly appreciate it, and I will see you down the road. Bye, everyone.
No, 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 no.